Hi Drastic Cuties! Today we're going to draw a cup of white chocolate mocha from Starbucks. So let's get started. To draw this yummy drink from Starbucks, we're going to first start by drawing a straight line for the top of the cup. So I'm going to come right here, just go ahead and draw a straight line right across. About that wide. And then from there I'm going to come to where I started and ended and just round it off and bring an angle line down from my cup. So I'm going to do both sides, slowly build it all the way down. Just makes it a little bit easier to see as you go. And keep bringing it down. So it's just a small little cup. I saw this image from Starbucks and I had to draw it for you because it was so cute and it looked so yummy to celebrate fall, winter. So about right there, I'll stop and round off the bottom. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a very soft curve all the way across. There. So then from there, let's come back in here and I'm going to basically follow my outside line because it is glass. So this way it makes it look like the drink is inside a glass. So I'm just going to go all the way . Oops. And towards the bottom once again. And connect it. Okay, so I have my cup in now. Now let's come up and draw the yummy whipped cream. So if you want to follow exactly what I'm doing in terms of the whipped cream shape, first you would start right here and you're going to draw one little dollop right here. So come up, just draw a soft curve and bring it in. Just kind of taper it in. Then the second one is right here towards this side now. We're just going to draw a curve and bring this part in. And then from there we're going to come to right here and we're going to draw a curve. So basically we're just building up this dollop. So about right here I draw a curve that comes up. See, about that much. And then I'm going to aim to draw the biggest dollop. So it kind of end about right here. So I'm going to go up. See, about right there. And then from there I'm going to start to bring it in. So just curve it. Comes out. And one more. Another curve. Okay, so then from there, let's make this a little bit softer curve. Okay, so then from there to build it into a dollop, let's see here, let's come to the first line, which is this one right here where this edge is, and we're just going to come and build a curve all the way down. Let's soften this up. And then right there, then from there we're going to come and build this dollop right now on this edge, and we're just going to bring this all the way up. So that way all our curves make sense. And I'm just going to build it up, all the way up. There, so I have my nice little mounds. Okay, so then from there I'm going to lightly come in here and just give it some more curves, some more details. So these are going to be lighter lines. And in here, so this part right here, I'm going to bring a lighter line in and one more. There, nice and yummy now, right? And then I'm going to come in there later and do the sprinkles with a thinner Sharpie. But from there now, let's draw our part right here where the cream goes into the mocha. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a wavy line. And go back up. And then stop right there. And then from there, I'm going to draw eyes if you want to bring this drink to life. So about right here, I'm just going to add a circle for some draw so cute eyes. And another one. And let's make them just a cute eyes. So I'm going to put 2 small circles in here for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So thank you guys for loving all my Starbucks drawings over the years. If you've been following me, you know I love Starbucks. It's my favorite place to go to get drinks. And lines at the bottom, right? Oh, I mean circles. So make sure if you love Starbucks like I do to check out my Starbucks drinks playlist. And the lines at the bottom. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the top right here. We're just going to draw a light curve above each eye. And in between the eyes right here, just draw a soft curve for a sweet smile and cap it off. And if you want, I'm going to add some of these hands I usually put on my drinks that comes to a little heart shape. So about right here, I'll start and bring a curve in to the right there. So same thing on this side. I'm going to drag my point across about right there. Once again, curve and bring it all the way. So then about right there, I'm going to stop and add this heart shape. And connect it back. So now basically the drink is done. I'm going to come back in here with a thinner Sharpie and draw the sprinkles. So there's some brown, white sprinkles, and then there's a lot of red sugar sprinkles. So I'll just start with the circle ones first, maybe some half ones here and there. And you can add as many or as little sprinkles as you want. Okay, so then for the sugar ones, they're more rectangular-ish, so however many you want to add. Just make them at different angles when you're drawing them. Let's see here. I think I'll end it about right there. And then right here where the whipped cream meets the drink, you're going to see some swirls. So you can do that when you're coloring, but I just want to show you, just add some darks and lights so you can just see the swirls in the drink. So there, that's pretty much it for this yummy white chocolate mocha from Starbucks to celebrate fall and winter. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.